Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will be studying the last chapter of your EVS textbook. That is chapter number 25 and the name of the chapter is My District. All of you must be knowing the name of your district. What is it? Valsad, right. So in this chapter we will be studying the different things about Valsad. We will be getting a lot of information about our district, which is Valsad. Let us start with the chapter. My district. The Gujarat state organizes Khel Mahakumbh every year. Everyone is taking part in it to show their talent. Many teachers and students are coming for it. This year, the program is organized in the capital of the state. A large number of teachers and students from different districts of the state came to participate. Today, all students are gathered in Central Vista Garden near GH4. Everyone has gathered and talking in their garden. Teachers were exchanging their experiences while students were talking about their districts. So, this is a Khel Mahakumbh which is organized by Gujarat state every year and many students take part in it. Many teachers and students come from various schools to take part in this Khel Mahakumbh. And all the teachers are sitting and they are exchanging their experiences about how they work in school and etc. બધા teachers and students સાથે જમા થાય because Gujarat state every year ખેલ મહાકુંભ organize કરે. So બધા teachers પોતપોતાના experiences share કરે છે and the students are talking about their districts from whichever districts they have come. In the beginning, Vishwa said, I am coming from Kutch district. Bhuj is our capital. Our district has 10 talukas. Kutch district shares borders with Pakistan from the district of Gujarat. While our deserts touch with Rajasthan state of India, Morbi, Surendranagar, Patan and Banaskantha are our neighboring districts. So, in the beginning, Vishwa said that she is coming from Kutch district and she shared the different information about her district. Bhuj is the capital of Kutch. There are 10 talukas in Kutch. Kutch shares the borders with Pakistan and the desert touches the Rajasthan state of India. And then she shared the different neighboring districts of Kutch. And now Jyoti will say. Jyoti means you can count yourself as Jyoti and you will be sharing the information about Valsad. So Jyoti said our district is Valsad and its capital is Valsad. Our district has 6 talukas. My district's border touches Maharashtra and Daman states and Navsari and etc. are the districts of neighboring to my district. Jyoti shared the information about her district which is Valsad. Means we are sharing our information. શું કહે છે જ્યોતિ કે મારા ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટનું નામ વલસાડ છે એનો કેપિટલ પણ વલસાડ જ છે. There are 6 talukas in Valsad and the border touches Maharashtra and Daman. By listening to this, Thomas said, my district is Dang. It is the smallest district of Gujarat by area. Its area is 1,764 square kilometers, so that it is less populated too. Its population is 2,26,769. The largest part of the forest in Gujarat, 58.5%, is in my district. Then Thomas shared different information about his district, which is Dang. Dang is the smallest district of Gujarat by area. Then he shared the square kilometers of his district and the population and the forest area. Now Jyoti will say about her district which is Valsad. Jyoti said, my district has 5th or 6th position according to area. Its area is 2,947.49 square kilometers. Its population is 17,03,068. Our district has 30.89% of forest of the state. Then Jyoti shared the information about Valsad. જ્યોતિએ પાછી વલસાડની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી કે આટલા કિલોમીટર્સ એરિયા છે, પોપ્યુલેશન શું છે અને ફોરેસ્ટ એરિયા શું છે વલસાડનો. Parveen living in Ahmedabad said, "My city, Ahmedabad, is situated near the bank of the river Sabarmati. The literacy rate of my district is 86.65%. In my district, there are many sightseeing places like Sidi Sayyad Nijali, Kakaria Lake, Sabarmati Riverfront, Gandhi Ashram, etc." Parveen shared her information about Ahmedabad. That Ahmedabad is located at the bank of the river Sabarmati, the literacy rate of Ahmedabad, what are the sightseeing places, એટલે જે પ્રખ્યાત જગાઓ કઈ છે ફરવા માટે અમદાવાદમાં, એ બધું પરવીને ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી. Now again Jyoti will give information about Valsad. By listening to this, Jyoti said, Auranga and Par rivers are passing through my district. Valsad and Pardi cities have flourished on the banks of these rivers. The literacy rate of my district is 88.84%. My district has Tithal Beach, Parnera Hills, Wilson Hills, Lady Wilson Museum, sightseeing places. Then Jyoti shared the information about Valsad, that which rivers are passing through the district, that is Auranga and Par. ને કયા સિટીઝોને ફાયદો થયેલો છે એનો, તો વલસાડ અને પારડીને વધારે ફાયદો થયો છે આ નદીઓના કારણે. લિટરસી રેટ શું છે વલસાડની, તો 88.84% છે. And the sightseeing places of Valsad are Tithal Beach, Parnera Hills, Wilson Hills and Lady Wilson Museum. તમે બધાને ખબર જ હશે આ બધી પ્લેસ તો. All of you must have been gone to all these places with your families, right? બધા તમારી ફેમિલી સાથે ગયા હશે ને ફરવા આ બધી જગ્યાઓ પર. Maitri said, "I am coming from Junagadh district. Dattatreya is the highest peak of Girnar mountain in Junagadh of Gujarat. You might have heard this. High peak mountain Girnar talking with clouds." Maitri looked at Jyoti. So Jyoti said, "My district also has Wilson Hill and Parnera mountains." Then Maitri, and she's coming from Junagadh district, and she shared the information about the highest peak over there. And then after telling, she saw at Jyoti. So then Jyoti said that in my district, the highest peaks are Wilson Hill and Parnera mountains. Bhavin from Gandhinagar district said, "My district has religious places like Akshardham, Mahudi and Dholeshwar Mahadev." Tanvi spoke in between. "I am from Mehsana district. My district has historical places like Modhera and Vadnagar. Sun Temple of Modhera and Kirti Toran of Vadnagar are famous." Bhavin was coming from Gandhinagar and he shared the religious places over there. And then Tanvi also spoke and she told about the religious places of Mehsana district. And now Jyoti will tell us the religious places of our district, which is Valsad. Jyoti said, "Our district has religious places like Sai Baba Temple, Swaminarayan Temple, Tadkeshwar Mahadev Mandir, and the historical places like Parnera Hills, Arjunganj Fort and Kalyan Bagh Jyoti Minar." બધા તમે લોકો આ જગાઓ પર ગયા જ હશો, સાંઈ બાબા ટેમ્પલ, સ્વામિનારાયણ ટેમ્પલ એન્ડ ધ તડકેશ્વર મહાદેવ મંદિર. All of you must have been gone over there with your families, right? Before anyone speaks, Krishna said, "My district is Narmada. A dam has been built at Navgam village over the river Narmada in my district. The lake formed by this dam is named Sardar Sarovar. Statue of Unity has also been constructed over there." Then before anyone else would speak, Krishna spoke. Krishnaએ નર્મદા માટે ડિફરન્ટ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી કે નવગામ વિલેજ પર એક ડેમ બિલ્ડ થયેલો છે એન્ડ ધ લેક વિચ ઇઝ ફાઉન્ડ બાય ઇટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ સરદાર સરોવર. ને ત્યાં સ્ટેચ્યુ ઓફ યુનિટી પણ છે. બધાએ ન્યૂઝમાં જોયું હશે ને, મોટું સ્ટેચ્યુ ત્યાં બનેલું છે. By hearing this, Jyoti said, in my district also Madhuban Dam is built over the Damanganga river. Dhanraj, who is from Banaskantha, said, Amirgarh Taluka of my district has Jessore Bear Sanctuary and Palanpur Taluka has Balrampur Sanctuary. Bear, nilgai, leopard, porcupine, etc. are seen in Jessore Sanctuary, while nilgai, blue bull and bears are seen in Balram Sanctuary. Dhanraj shared the information about the different sanctuaries in his place. In this, Jyoti couldn't say anything. Okay? Harbhajan was eager to speak. He said, I am from Surendranagar. The most famous fair of Tarnetar is famous in all over India. Young men and young women enjoy the fair with umbrella embroidered on them. Then Harbhajan spoke about the Tarnetar fair, which is very famous. And Jyoti said that Mahashivratri fair is organized at Palsana place in my district. Jyoti also shared the information about the fair which is organized in her district. Devendra from Panchmahal said, corn crop is very common in my district. Besides this, wheat, paddy pulses, groundnut and tobacco crops are also grown. Deepika said quickly, I am coming from Porbandar district. Cement and dyes, chemical businesses has flourished a lot in my district. Devendra and Deepika shared about the various types of crops and businesses which are done in their districts. Devendra said that corn crop is very famous in Panchmahal and different items like wheat, paddy, pulses, groundnuts, tobacco, etc. are also grown. And Deepika said that in Porbandar district, cement and dyes, that is the chemical businesses, have flourished a lot. By listening to this, Jyoti said, in my district, sugarcane and rice crop is taken most. Besides this, mango, banana, nagli crops are also grown. Chemical, textile and paper pulp businesses are flourished in my district. And Jyoti also said that the most grown crop in Valsad is sugarcane and rice. Besides this, mango, banana and nagli are also grown and the businesses of chemical, textile and paper pulp are flourished. Flourished એટલે બહુ સારી રીતે ચાલી રહ્યા છે એ બધા બિઝનેસીસો. So I hope that all of you must have got a lot of information about Valsad from this chapter and all of you will remember this information. બધાને બહુ બધી આજે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન મળી ને વલસાડ માટે. વલસાડમાં કેટલા તાલુકાસ છે, વલસાડ કઈ જગ્યા સાથે એની બોર્ડર્સ શેર કરે છે, then the total population of Valsad, the total square kilometers of area, the literacy rate, the forest area of Valsad, the different sightseeing places, religious places, historical places, બધાને ઘણી બધી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન મળી છે આજે વલસાડ માટે. સો બધા હવે યાદ રાખજો આ બધી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન. ઓકે, I hope all of you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you. Goodbye.